This is the second group.
Not yet.
What's wrong with you, Lulu? You hate everybody, and I think you hate yourself too. Okay. Yeah, okay, you're right. Okay.
All right.
Go up to see the trachea.
You guys flip it like.
Open it. The trachea is the most upper organ you can. You unable to. Can you come here? Yeah. Go there. Yeah. Okay, this is the trachea. How do you know that this is the trachea? If you're the one who's gonna touch it, you find cartilage rings. Make it open all time. Cartilage rings. We just mentioned. This is the trachea. Okay?
This trick.
Yeah. Go. What are the left lungs and the right lungs?
Here it is. The left lung.
Right lung. How many lobes? There are many. I'm not gonna ask you how many, but there are so many lobes.
2,
Okay?
3.
And then go
3
for
left.
This is long.
pericardium. The heart is covered with a membrane known as pericardium.
Here it is.
You were in the first group, man.
No, she wasn't.
No, she wasn't.
She wasn't?
Who was in the
She was
first
with
group?
me.
So
I was, but I didn't see
Okay.
all this.
Can you, okay.
I guess we're
Can
gonna
you
have to
go,
do a
can
third
you go
group.
this way and you sit like the little lady?
yes,
Okay, go there.
yes. Thank you.
Okay.
This is
This is the pericardium.
Pericardium.
Okay?
So cute.
Got it? We have two cuts in the heart. One in the right ventricle, which is this one, and one in the left ventricle. Of course, the right one, we have nothing to see. The left one, you can see the chorda tendini, thin,
This one is
thread
over here.
like.
Chorda tendini.
It's not as clear as what should be. Okay?
Color, doctor?
Chorda tendini and the papillary muscle lower down. Can you show us the inferior vena cava?
Inferior vena cava.
Yes.
Yeah, this one is mirror.
Below the heart, you find a tube.
That little thing right there?
Yeah, this one is the inferior
Inferior
vena
vena
cava.
cava.
Can you see now?
Can you do one more round?
Not a problem. Okay, this is the inferior vena cava. And then the next question is the diaphragm.
There it is.
Diaphragm.
The diaphragm is this
Yes.
part.
Just a layer between the thorax and the abdomen, making separation between the two of them. Okay. Next. Liver. Gallbladder is not as clear. It should be, in some cats, a green small sac. I don't think we can able to do it here.
So where's the liver? That's that.
Right, that's a liver.
Many lobes.
Johanna.
1, 2,
In the human, there are only 2 lobes. In the cat, 5 to 6.
3.
What's wrong with the cat? I have no idea.
I've got
Four?
four
livers?
parts.
You're not
Yeah.
recording me.
1, 2, 3.
You should be, with the final, you should be prepared with a glove. Because I will ask you, where is the descending colon?
4,
Show me the descending colon.
You have to bring.
The key, you go from the rectum up. Go for the rectum. Where is the omentum? This is the omentum. Did you got it? This is omentum. Go for the rectum and then keep going up. Yes, thank you, Martha. You did good.
That's the.
This is
Oh,
the
this is the
rectum
rectum.
followed by the
This one is
descending
the
colon. We are going retrograde in the opposite direction. Go up.
Just like this.
Go up. Follow the same tube. Yes. Move the intestine any way you like.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one is a
Transverse colon. See how very short?
It's right
See how
here.
very short?
It's that little curve.
Yeah, it's a
Can you move
curve.
your hand? Like,
What's
that?
Transverse.
Transverse. It's the little curve.
Follow the tube to the ascending colon on the right side. Yes. Once you find a sudden change with the diameter from a big one to a small one, you know that this is the end of the small intestine and the beginning of the large intestine.
So that is
Can you see
where
it?
the
Yes.
This one's ascending.
Okay. Keep lower down. What is the first part of the large intestine? Cecum.
Cecum.
This interhand. Cecum. What is the end of the small intestine?
Here it is.
The tube, the small tube, the small tube. Yes, in your thumb. No, no. This one, yes, this one.
Can you just hold it with this force?
This is named ilium.
Okay.
So the junction is named iliocecal junction.
So that's like a
Ilium,
large.
yes, and there is a valve, a sphincter in this area. Yes, so iliocecal junction, and we have the appendix coming down between the angle of this and that. Can you show them the appendix? Where's the appendix?
Oh, this one is appendix.
No, I think the tube lower down. You have it. Turn it there. Why are you nervous, Martha? Would you relax? She looks very... No.
The appendix must be at the end. At the end of the small intestine and the
Turn
beginning
it
of
to the other side and show it to you. Can you see this tube? Yes?
This one?
No. The tube going lower down.
Oh, here it is. It must be.
It could be this one or next to it. You find a small tube just coming out at that angle. Okay?
This one. Must be this one.
Yes, like this. It's always covered with a thin membrane. And when I remove the appendix, I have to remove this membrane.
And that's the
And I
appendix?
start to dissect it up to the base, the most base of the tube. Yes.
That's the appendix?
At the time you're too little, at the time
So,
But she's
so
smart.
that's right from that's ascending.
Yeah.
I need
Just
to go
after
to the
the
stomach.
ascending
So
to-
the key to know the stomach, go with the small intestine from the beginning of the large intestine and take it piecemeal like that. Yes. Follow the same tube. Yes, like that. Trust me, this is the easy way when I do surgery and I want to find something wrong with the patient. I do the same what she's doing. Keep going, keep going. Yes. It ends. Move the small intestine, whatever area you like. Yes, like that. This is the start of the stomach itself.
Can you move?
Another key to know the stomach, hold the omentum like that way. The omentum is attached to the greater curve of the stomach.
At the beginning of this one.
Yeah, like that. So that's the stomach. Could you show us? It's below the liver.
Okay, with the hand. We can.
Go more to the left side.
You see?
Point it again.
Okay. Where is the end of the omentum? You can easily figure out this is the stomach. Lift the omentum up between your two hands. Yes. This is the stomach. Can you see it?
Oh, that. All
Yes.
This is the stomach.
Oh, okay.
The stomach ends and the small intestine starts with a C shape named duodenum.
Which is
Inside
that, right?
this
And
C
the
shape,
pancreas?
you can see the pancreas. Show us this.
Which is the pancreas?
The pancreas
The
is
end of the stomach
small end of the stomach
goes to
and
the
where that
side.
C
Yes,
is right
this is
there.
the C-shaped area. Yes, that tube in your hand, in your left hand.
Yeah.
Yes, this.
the tube
Inside it, any structure, this is the pancreas.
Pancreas.
over
Where
here.
that C is,
Inside
that
the
big
concavity of the C-shape, Martha. Inside the concavity of the C-shape, Martha.
Here it is.
Yes.
From here to here.
Yes. Okay? Where is the spleen? Easy to show.
The spleen. And
Left
then
intestine to the other side.
here it is.
It's like a
Yeah.
flat
Can you
attached.
see the spleen? It's not that big like other cats. Spleen. Then would like to see the kidney.
The kidney. One is
Yeah,
over here.
this is one kidney, and the other one is more clear. Most likely they are bluish in color. They take the preservative material to make it blue in color. Kidney, the ureter comes out, should go to the urinary
here,
bladder.
I got it.
Lift all the intestine up
Here it
again.
is.
You have two ureters, are very clear. This is one
That
of the
one's with
ureters.
the that's that one.
Well dissected in this
Flip it
cat.
over a little.
This is
Okay, urethra. Okay.
Okay.
That's what?
The urethra.
ureter. This is the left ureter, by the way.
Ureter.
So where is the bladder? The end of this tube, you find a sac.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, most likely this one. Yeah,
This one. That
this
one.
one.
That's what?
Urinary bladder.
Urinary
No more questions.
bladder, and then the other one is
So-
ureter.
Urethra.
Yeah,
Oh, it's just on
that's
top.
the urinary bladder.
It starts
It's at
from
the end of the
kidney
urethra.
and goes down. This one is
Urinary, and that's the urinary bladder.
Go to the outside.
No, I mean, just like the bird.